Welcome back, it's your boy the Knologist. I am doing another session of code study sessions and AFK OSRS training. Still going to my goal of 62 fishing. Let's look at the range. Range. Similar to slices and maps, channels have ranges. Okay. Okay, so similar to this, channels have ranges. Okay, so slices maps range CH. 4 item range CH over the range. Receive values over the channel, blocking at each iteration if nothing is neither, and will exit only when the channel is closed. Item is the next value received from the channel, so blocking at each iteration if nothing new is there. Okay. Item is the next value received from the channel. So basically this is like a built-in for loop for what we did. It's like an infinite loop because we don't know how big the channel size is. So what we do here is we just use a range to go over the range of the channel itself, and it will block on its own and it'll close on its own. So this is like a very encapsulated way. Of doing everything we wanted to do initially. So we'll block at each iteration. We'll exit when the channel is closed. Which is good. Okay. Holy freaking hell. Like... This is the range of said channel. Similar to slices and maps, channels can be ranged over. Okay. So assignment. Let's see what's in here. I'm taking my time on each of these concepts so you guys can get a good view as to how I'm breaking things down and how I'm looking at things. So I'm right now looking at the range keyword, and I'm seeing that it's basically doing what we did in that last episode where we created a loop and then had to go through each one and close the channel individually, you know. Also, I'm also staring at the EXP counter because we're getting near the next fishing level, which I'm also excited about because that means there's only one more left until we do wood cutting. I'll have to find a wood cutting spot. Oh my gosh, just before the level too. This game's like edging me right now for levels. Like, okay, we're gonna give you a level. We're gonna give you a level. And it's like, just give me the fucking level. Like, you don't gotta play these games with the boy. The thing I also like about this fishing method is that there's an aspect of strength experience and agility also added to the fishing experience. Come on, give me the level. One more. There we go. Level 60. Okay, and to get to 62, so that's another thing on its own. Worry about that shit later. What I want to do now is, the assignment. Fibonacci sequence. We've been tasked with building a small program. Okay, so this is I++. Call Fibonacci concurrently. Okay. Create a new channel of ints. So Fibonacci is its own thing. Call Fibonacci concurrently. Use a range loop to read from the channel and append the values to a slice. Okay, so let's create a slice. The nice thing about this is that it gives you the so I had the right idea here. You have to define the type. So I want an array. So I want a slice of integers, but I want it to be empty. So I'm creating an empty slice to be filled. And the thing with slices is they auto increase the amount of space they take. So unlike C and C++, where you have to define the exact amount of space, these slices will automatically adapt to that. So that's the leverage of doing this versus an array. You want to work with slices in Go. That's just the Go way of doing things. So create a new channel. Done. Call Fibonacci concurrently. So, and then use a range loop and append values to a slice. So we have to create a slice. Call this concurrently. And then for read from the channel. If I call Fibonacci, so I create a new channel. I call Fibonacci. Bro, this is so fucking annoying. Stop fucking taking my fishing spot. Okay. You have to feed Fibonacci, and Fibonacci feeds the channel. So this is a go routine. So that's why it tells us to call it concurrently, because we have to fill up this go routine to fill up our channel that we just created. We pass in our channel and n integers. So it does the Fibonacci sequence on this. That's what I'm assuming it does, because I'm like, how the fuck do we, why are we creating an empty channel? But the Fibonacci concurrent go routine is what does that for us. Let me just make sure my screen's not frozen. Okay, so let's go back to this. So basically now I want to fill up the channel. So I'm going to go. And I want to pass through the integer value, so n, because it takes in that value, and I want to pass in my channel, ch, that I created here. So now it's going to fill this channel based on this integer I'm passing. Then each item I want to append to the slice. So slice, and then I want to return the slice first. This is the part I know how to do. The rest is syntactical, so it's like, okay, how do I append to slice? Append. Okay, so you have to use append first, then the element item. Slice name, append, and then value. Slice name, append, value, and then I'll go item. So this right now pulls out an item. Fucking annoying. Yeah, so this now pulls out this item from this filled up channel that's here. It's going in the range of channel, getting items from the channel, and then filling up this slice. Then I want to return the slice. Then I run. What isn't working? Okay, so concurrency. You run concurrency on another function, nch. I want to make sure the types are the same. Okay, so types, chan int, ch, make. Then I go int slice empty, slice append item. I mean, I created a slice right here. It's more syntax. This is concurrent. This is thing. Append. Range. Similar to slices. Create my slice. Let's see. Empty slice and Golang. Empty slice and Golang. Golang slice. Empty slices. S string. JetBrains. This is literally it. What am I missing? It's just gonna be integers, chand int. Oh, because it's not just a single integer, it's int. Do I do this? How do I, what's the type for an array? Oh no, I'm just playing around at this point. How the fuck do I do this? Okay, so it's sending two values. No, but it's taking the X and putting it into the channel. So it's just an integer value. So integer, append item. Oh, that's why. Fucking hell. This semicolon was the reason. Because I was redefining it here. Okay, so slice wasm. First argument must be a slice. Variable of type int. What do you mean it must be sliced? The first argument here is a fucking int. Okay, must be a slice. Okay, this is really stupid. This compiler is not doing what I want it to do. Let's see, current fib, slice int, okay, slice append, item range, ten 15, argument to append must be a slice. Variable of type int. What? First argument to append must be a slice. Oh. We just call append, I guess, on the slice. Oh, new slice, original slice. Bro, this is so fucking annoying. Okay. So slice is equal to the new slice plus appended item. Bruh. Fucking syntax. Like that's literally, most of the shit I get stuck on now is just like syntactical. It's not even, like if it was Python or some other shit, I would have got it in like a second. But the logic is all the same. So basically what you're doing is creating a channel, creating a slice to hold the values we're extracting from this channel. So right now you're wondering, why is this channel empty? How are we going to get values from it? This is a Go routine that we run in tandem. So this Go routine is running while we run this. So it's going through the sequence, running Fibonacci on the channel. So this is getting populated down here based on this integer value. Then I go through this filled up channel and then return the slice with the filled up values from that channel. And let's submit it. Boom, pass, perfect. And then I also want to look at bro. Let's just take a quick look at the solution as well. The Go syntax is very, it's kind of similar to C and like also kind of similar to Python at the same time. It's like, it's a very strange language, but once you get the hang of it, I assume the concurrency and all these channel effects make it nice. The other thing I like about Go is Go Tidy it cleans up your packages so you don't get out of date packages and shit. That's all like managed by Golang. So it's like, okay, we're chilling at that point basically. I just want to see the solution. What do they do that's different? Okay, so he makes a channel. I make a channel. He runs Fibonacci. I run Fibonacci. I make my slice first. He makes it after, which is fine. He follows the steps. He basically scopes his slice to the loop. I make it ahead of time. I don't know. I just like to declare what I'm using ahead of time. If I know I'm going to use something. Like, that's just the way I do things. But you could do it your way too. You don't have to do it my way. And then he appends it. Final V. I append it. And then return. Yeah, so same shit. He just orders it differently. Yeah, and I gotta take a deuce, so we will continue in the next episode. Peace.